Everything is different about this vegetable stew. It's an all-purpose sauce or stew, however you call it. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. Stay tuned and let's cook. My choice of protein for this vegetable stew is tilapia fish. You can go for any fish of your choice or any protein, goat meat or chicken, turkey is perfect, okay? Now what I would do is go behind the camera, make sure it is well clean, the shirt, the gilt and guts, everything is out. Again, I will go for smoked catfish, okay, for a nice flavor. Now after cleaning that, I went ahead to cut my fish and this is what we have. It is time to marinate. In German kitchen term language, there is a 3x rule that applies to fish, which is simply means saubern, säuren und salzen, which is in English clean, acidulate, and salt. It's just a basic step to take for your fish. Then you can go ahead and season however you want to have it. It's very important because it will get rid of any foul smell. It will brighten up your fish and give you a very glassy fish texture. After cleaning mine, I will go in with small amount of vinegar. This is because I have no lemon or lime at home. If you have one, please go for that. But a vinegar will do same job. Now I introduce more amount of salt, some amount of vegetable powder, small amount of paprika powder, add in some oil and generously marinate, then set aside. Another step are my pepper mixture. I have my pointed bell peppers, I have red onions, I have my green Scotch bonnet peppers and ginger. I also have some garlic. If you are not a garlic or ginger type or you don't want to have it, please skip it, but it had a whole lot of taste in this meal. Again, I have my canned tomatoes. If you have fresh one, go for it. But in winter, I don't go for fresh tomatoes here. Okay, this is the best I could offer for myself. Okay, in winter here, that tastes super good. Now, what I would do is introduce both tomatoes, the peppers in my food processor and go ahead and blend just like this. Now I have my canned tomatoes in here and the bell peppers, onion, everything. The main component for today is my spinach. Okay, you can go for any spinach of your choice. You can go for ugu leaf, for kale leaf, you can go for mango leaf. I am going for the spinach this type. So I will go ahead and thoroughly clean. I love to clean first before slicing. Okay, this will also retain some amount of vitamin. Now you want to slice all that and then introduce to a bowl. Let me use this time to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers for always tuning in. I truly appreciate you all. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for watching till this time. My name is Annie Krieger. At this point, you will go in with a hot cooking water. This water have to be hot. If you are going for kale or any other grain, I don't think you need this process. Or if you are going for frozen one, then skip this process. Now cover up and let it sit for 1 minute. 1 minute later, you want to strain it out. Go in with cold water to stop the cooking process and also retain that beautiful green look of your spinach. It's time to cook. Introduce some amount of sunflower oil to a pot. Let it heat up. Get a flour and lightly coat your fish in a flour. Then introduce to your pan and fry. We are not deep frying. You just want to lightly coat and fry. This will prevent your fish from falling apart and also give you that tender, juicy, and delicious fish. Like guys, you will. This recipe is my number one go-to fish recipe. Now look at what we have. Look at that, guys. So make sure every part is well fried. Okay, when that is done, you will set that aside for now. Now let me say this, if you haven't liked this video, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, guys. Please do that for me just to promote this video. I truly appreciate you for doing that. If you also haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, recipes, interesting one, you will love it. Stay connected by hitting the subscribe button and also the notification bell just to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing that. After getting off my fish, what I did was get a kitchen paper and wipe off the excess flour in my pan. It is no must. And then go in with small oil, add in your sliced onion and saute until fragrance. Again, introduce your pepper mixture, stir everything together, cover up and let it simmer for at least 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, if you have any dry cooked fish, any fish of your choice, then you want to introduce at this point. I went in with my dry or smoked catfish. I went in with my smoked prawns. I introduced some vegetable powder. I introduced some blended crayfish, small amount of salt, small amount of salt. Stir everything together. But please, lovelies, you want to season to your taste, okay? Now stir everything together and then cover up and let it simmer again. Let those smoked catfish and smoked prawns release the flavor in your sauce. It's been about 8 minutes. My stew has nicely reduced the liquid and the smoked catfish and prawns smells everywhere beyond words at this point. Now, before introducing your spinach, make sure you give it a taste to see if there is any adjustment. When your spinach comes in, it is difficult to adjust. Yes, you can adjust, but your spinach will be cooking. Maybe you wouldn't want to have it overcooked. I'm sure of that. Now, after tasting, introduce your spinach and stir generously. After then, you will bring in your fish. The moment your spinach comes in, be sure that you have few minutes to turn off the flame. Yes, turn it off and let it cook on a low heat. Just that heat will cook your spinach. Okay. And this is what we have, guys. It looks fantastic. It is simple. It is delicious. I had it with boiled yam. I had it with basmati rice, which is my favorite. Those are aromatic basmati rice. I had it with plantain. I had it with swallow. My favorite was with basmati rice. It was basmati rice and swallow. It was so delicious, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give your thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section. Also share with your loved ones. I appreciate you all for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and see you all once again in my next one. Bye for now.